a faffing around video, believe it or not. So I need to do a vegetarian dish. I saw something on Instagram the other day. It was a Don Hay dish. She's very good. She's Australian. Her food always looks amazing. She's really good. She's like a food stylist, but her food's really nice as well. And it was like a quiche, but it was well, you'll see when I'm doing it. So it was like a quiche, but it was carrots. Or maybe it wasn't carrots, but I'm going to put carrots in and courgettes. I've just sliced them on the Japanese finger slicer, kind of quite thin. I've cooked the carrot slightly, just cooked the carrot so it's bendy, and then I've sliced the courgette. Not too much of the centre because it's a bit pappy in the centre. We'll use that for something else. And then it's going to be layers. So it's carrot round, and then courgette round that, and then a bit more carrot to stop sticking together. And then we're going to put it in a buttered ramekin with some egg in there. So a bit more courgette, and then maybe another courgette, because I've got more courgette than carrot. But you get the idea. And then we're going to stick that in there like that, and then we're going to pour the egg into the gaps, and then we're going to bake it in the oven. I don't think the courgette should have been cooked beforehand, but that's pretty, isn't it? I buttered it, and then I'm going to put some breadcrumbs on top. So we'll kind of see how we go. So egg, I got a bit of egg to use up anyway. So it's buttered, so it should come out of the container. If it doesn't, we might line it with a bit of greaseproof paper tomorrow, but not egg too far up because we want to see those bits of courgette. Doesn't that look pretty? You see, she's a clever lady, isn't she? And then a few bits of crunchy on top, and then in the oven to cook, and we'll see how it turns out.